case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1973, the United States Supreme Court heard the case of Espinoza v. Farah Manufacturing Company. Cecilia Espinoza, a Mexican citizen and resident alien, was denied a job as a seamstress at Farah Manufacturing Company due to the company's policy against hiring aliens. Espinoza brought a lawsuit, alleging that this policy violated Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which prohibits discrimination based on national origin. The district court ruled in favor of Espinoza, but the Court of Appeals reversed this decision, holding that discrimination based on lack of citizenship is distinct from discrimination based on national origin. Espinoza then appealed to the Supreme Court. Ultimately, the Supreme Court affirmed the Court of Appeals' decision, ruling that Title VII covers discrimination based on a person's country of birth or ancestry, but not on their citizenship status. The court found that while Title VII prohibits both overt discrimination and practices that appear fair but have discriminatory effects, discrimination based on citizenship can only be considered illegal if it leads to discrimination based on national origin. In this particular case, the court determined that there was no evidence to suggest that Farah Manufacturing's policy against hiring aliens was intended to specifically discriminate against Mexicans. As a result, the court upheld the lower court's ruling that Espinoza had not been unlawfully discriminated against based on her national origin.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.